Alright, let me hit you with a question that's been bouncing around the internet for decades. Did we really land on the moon, or is there more to NASA's story than what we've been told? Now, before you roll your eyes or reach for the tinfoil hat, hang with me for a second. Because the truth is, even space nerds like me sometimes get tripped up by the weirdness in NASA's own words. First, let's talk about low Earth orbit. LEO for short. That's basically the cosmic neighborhood just a couple 100 miles up, closer than a flight from New York to Washington, D.C. And here's the kicker. Since the Apollo missions, nobody, no astronaut, no probe, no billionaire joyride, has gone beyond LEO. Not NASA, not SpaceX, not anyone. Even Neil deGrasse Tyson jokes about it, saying most people who claim to have been to space are just hanging out in LEO. He quips SpaceX should really be called LEO-X. Then there's this. In 2014, a NASA rep flat out said, "Right now, we can only fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest we can go." Ouch. Elon Musk chimed in too, saying after Apollo, American space capability dropped down to nothing. In 2019, we couldn't even launch astronauts to LEO by ourselves. So what gives? Why haven't we been back to the moon? NASA's own astronauts have said, "We don't have the technology to go to the moon anymore. We destroyed that technology. And that rebuilding it is a painful process." Cue the conspiracy theories like, how do you lose the tech for history's biggest achievement? And why isn't anyone held accountable? I get it. It sounds crazy, but there's more. NASA says they lost a ton of original telemetry data, and even if they found it, the machines that could read it are long gone. But let's pause on the moon hoax bandwagon. As Neil deGrasse Tyson points out, faking the Apollo missions would have been harder than actually going. You'd need to fake millions of documents and blueprints. Not exactly a weekend project. And hey, NASA's not perfect. Reports have shown they've misplaced equipment worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, like video recorders and radios. That's government bureaucracy for you. Meanwhile, SpaceX is out launching cars into space for fun, as Elon Musk puts it. When people questioned if the Tesla Roadster footage was fake, Musk fired back, "You can tell it's real because it looks so fake." Gotta love that logic. So, what's the real story? The truth is, space is hard. Technology gets outdated, budgets get slashed, and sometimes progress means starting over. But that's what makes the next big leap so epic. Whether you're a skeptic or a true believer, one thing's clear. NASA's story is a wild ride, and the next chapter might just blow our minds. Thanks for watching. If you love a good space mystery, hit that subscribe button and stay curious.